Hey, Janair, look at this. Daddy's here. We've got some gifties. Let's see what's going on. I know. Let's find out what we have over here. Whoa.
It's like a mystery box. There's a lot of surprises.
This is amazing. Let's find out what we have. First things first. This is Periberi. Wow. Here's the Periberi, and it looks really cool. It looks like a very nice kitchen set here. We got this on Amazon. Someone got all these on Amazon. Let's see what's in here. This is like an unboxing right now. Wow, okay, so the top right here, you've got some kind of apron. That seems pretty cool with like fruits on it and some different characters. That seems pretty interesting. Let me open this up and just kind of, we'll see how we feel about this quality-wise.
Janair, we have an apron. You want to try it? Hey, you want to try it on
Let's try this. Stand up, Janair, please. So here's our apron.
Hey, put it on Janair so he can
Here, now come on. Okay, come over
there's
here.
a chef hat.
I think it's a chef hat. So we go, oh, you like that, huh? Is that fun? I think you have to put this, it's a little bit involved here, but it's good because it's adjustable. So that's kind of nice. It's not really that hard. I'm doing it obviously real time. That's cool. You want to turn around, Janair, and I'll put it on you? Spin around.
Spin
All right,
around.
and I'm not the best tire here probably, but I think I can figure it out. Nice little bow.
Oh my gosh.
And there we go.
You're a chef.
And then we have this hat. You have your little hat. Oh, look how cute you are. I love it. Oh my goodness.
Look at us. Hey, look at us. Look at us.
Wow. Do you like your apron? Nice. Thank you. Say thank you, Mommy. Now look at this. What do you think of that? You got little horns and stuff. It's okay. This is definitely a real time.
So this is your barbecue, Janair. Those are the skewers, and you have corn. Let me see here. Let me see.
What's good about this that I can already see?
You have corn and meat and sausages.
You have a lot of different pieces.
And chicken wings. And then we have utensils. All kind of utensils.
Now here's the thing. I'll say this
and
right.
And an egg.
No, it's fine. I'll say this real quick. What I like, here's the pros and cons. Already I can see it. What's good about this is you have a big variety of stuff for the kids to play with. Utensils seem pretty nice. You can see up close how thick that is.
That's good quality, let's say.
It seems decent, right? And it's got some screws in there. I mean, we have to see over, like any parent, you have to see over time
so
how
I
it
guess
is.
We have here a teapot.
Yeah.
And we have another pot, which is, I think it's a pressure pot. It's a pressure.
Oh, cool. It's got a little scale. It's
actually, no, it's not a scale. It's an electric stove.
Oh, okay. Okay, yeah. So electric stove here. All right.
Yeah, it makes sound.
This one's gonna need batteries
Kids
here.
get engaged and they play with each other. It's like kind of pretend
you have
play.
your on off. That's pretty cool. So this is really nice, and thank you.
Oh, I love that. So this is something that Janair loves.
Yes.
Veggies that you can cut.
Yes.
Like in half.
Yeah, she loves to cut the veggies.
You have eggs, you have fish.
Yes.
You have eggs, fish, tomatoes, corn, cabbage.
Trying to figure out how to.
This is a pressure pot.
Oh, I see.
Yes.
Oh, okay. So it'll
it's like
lock.
Yeah, it's a very pretend play.
Spin lock.
Like, exactly like a pressure pot.
Got it. Okay. And then this, I'm assuming, is gonna
Yeah, this
go
is to
in
get
here.
the air out once, kinda.
Okay.
So when the food is ready, you get first the air out, and then you open it.
I mean, it's not. It seems sturdy. I wouldn't call it super heavy duty, but at the same time, like the kids have to.
High quality.
No,
I
it
can see
seems
that.
it seems solid. I think she's gonna have some fun with it. And what I like the variety. I like the accuracy, the detail. What do you think? What do you think of that? You have to spin it, Janair. No, right here. You twist this. Now it'll go up.
Yay!
This is so spicy.
It's a pressure pot, Booba.
This actually has some heft to it. this little fan here. Daddy can help you open that one.
Hey, can you see what type of batteries you need for the electric stove?
That's cool. See through. I mean, it's really nice, right? I mean, there's definitely some nice detail here. And
In the utensils bag zone, there's an egg, so you can put it in the pan.
Yes.
And just can flip it out with a spatula.
Let's try that.
Look, there's an egg. Oh, we're frying an egg. Wow.
You want an egg in here?
She will love it because we have an electric stove. She will be able basically to cook with me.
Wow, look, you've got a crab. You've got some lettuce. Tomato.
I need to open. I need to try it, Daddy.
You got a fish.
Nice.
Oh, that's cool. That's really clever.
I got the Dia, Daddy.
Here's another egg, hard-boiled egg.
Yeah.
Wow.
No, it's only.
Oh,
Daddy.
She's telling that you have to cut it with the knife.
sorry.
She knows.
Go ahead.
Because Booba, you have eggs, Booba, and here
Sorry.
you have, listen, and here you have your barbecue stuff. You have meat and
So yeah, look
chicken
at all
wings,
this,
corn, steaks,
You open,
sausages.
Daddy, and you mind the oven. Yeah.
Whoa, the tomato. This is a really cool set. Obviously, she's engaged with it. She seems to like it. Again, you're gonna have to just, as a parent, you have to be on top of the different pieces. But look at this. Look at this. So this is a barbecue, right?
These are skewers.
Yeah. So you've got like your pretend flame here, and that
And
will
coals,
like,
like
and
flames,
coals,
like
yeah,
coals,
and you would put that in there. They have little inserts, so we can do
Wait,
that.
Janelle, Mom. You don't do it.
See,
like that.
so let's take these out. Do this real time. This is very cool.
No.
And then here we go. Now here's our right. This is our rack. This is awesome. I've never seen another set that has this for kids. And then here is your skewer. You can see right here. It's very easy to put that right through.
Oh, no. John, actually,
So this is a little, okay. This is slightly tricky here.
so John, it's like this. See?
Okay. All
And
right,
then
look
once
at that.
it's ready, you just flip it and you can put stuff in it.
Now I don't know if I'm doing this right or wrong. I don't know if it goes all the way through or not.
Yeah. Go.
I'm not. Oh,
Yes,
there we go.
yes,
Okay.
yes,
We did it. A little bit tricky for a kid, but I'm sure they would get it. And you can put that all the way through, and that's your
And what
little
do you call
skewer
this,
right
like,
there.
to change?
Tongs. Your tongs.
Like tongs to flip them.
I've never seen that for a kid's thing. That's really cool. You've got a real range of things here. It seems very awesome about that. You've got all your yummies in there.
Okay. This is your teapot.
I want the open.
But it's great. I like this. This is kettle. It's nice. It's got a little heft on it. I don't know if any of this opens or not. I think it might, but I don't want to.
No, this does.
Maybe
here,
not.
You have to open this.
Yeah,
Kind
maybe
of
that.
pretend.
Yes, it does. Yes, it does. Okay, so there you go.
But I guess you can take off the cover here.
Maybe, right? That's what I was
try
trying
to
to
yeah.
figure out. I don't think so. Oh no, yeah.
Yeah, it does.
Okay. Okay, cool. So, I really don't want her to, but she could put water in here.
Yeah.
She could do some different things like that. So that's kind of cool. I mean, that's what I'm saying, like, and it's pretty relatively sturdy, not too heavy though. So it's a nice little set. And she's going to town. So it's great. I like the detail that it adds. And again, I can't wait till this is going here, so we'll see how that works. Are you happy with your cooking stuff, Janair?
Oh, you're already cooking. What are you cooking, Janair? Solid eggs. Yummy.
Solid egg.
What about the lobster? Yay.
It's really good. Let's see something here. Oh, nice, a kiwi.
Yes.
Look at that. Never seen a kiwi in another set either.
I say
They are trying to engage kids in the kitchen, which is really
love
great
it. I
because
love
they, you know, Janaire all the time sees me in the kitchen cooking and stuff, and she's like, she really
So
likes to cook.
here's the bottom line, and to me, I like this. This seems really nice. So in closing, I think it's pretty good. You know, we're still trying to go over all the pieces, make sure we got everything. In general, she seems to really like it. I like the detail of it. We have to try out everything with the batteries on, but it seems to be pretty good quality. Straight as an unboxing and quick review, I'd probably give this a 7.5, 8 out of 10, which is strong. Depending on how it all comes together, you know, once we test everything, that could go up a little bit. So we'll see. But this is the kitchen play set from Periberi, and we bought this with our own money on Amazon. So anyway, thanks so much. I appreciate it. For Janaire, I'm John. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.